Guys, I will show you how to remove this ducktail. Okay, what you're going to do is masking tape and this one, this device, this tool. Okay, let's go. So now using the masking tape, I put masking tape around it so to avoid scratch on the paint while we are removing this part. So let's open this one. As you can see, there's two handles and the cable. So we will just get enough length, maybe 6 inch or 8 inch. So our tool is set. You get enough piece. Okay, start from the edge. Stop here.